Hi, it's Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading account on Etoro. Stay tuned until the end of the video and we will reveal a helpful tip that could help you maximize your profits. Let's get started. Etoro is a fully regulated and trusted broker. Founded in 2007 and featuring trading in currencies, commodities, stocks, EFTs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. With over 6 million traders worldwide, Etoro gives you their very own platform, mobile app, and portfolio to get started. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on Etoro. First, go to their website at www.etoro.com. On the home screen here, click on Join Now. Create a username, enter your email, and make a password. After you have filled out all your details, you will be redirected to the Etoro Trading Platform main dashboard. And this is the Etoro Trading Platform. Because we want to start a demo account, you will need to change the account type from real to virtual. To do this, select the Account Type button at the top left of the page and switch your portfolio to a virtual one. And it's as simple as that. On the left of the screen here, you have your main portfolio dashboard, where you can select your watch list, newsfeed, choose your markets, and more. To select the various trading instruments supplied by Etoro, click on Trade Markets here. On the top of the screen here, you can select various trading instruments. In order to begin, select the desired market, and then click on Chart. And this is your main trading chart window. You can zoom in and out of the selected graphs with your mouse wheel. If you select full screen here, you will gain access to additional settings where you can change your graph types, make buy and sell executions, and more. You can change your graph types from candlestick, bar, and various others. And you can also add additional tools here if you would like to. On the top right of the graph window here, you can select your buy and sell orders, where you can make individual market executions based on the selected market. If you have any trouble on the Etoro trading platform, you can select Help on your main portfolio dashboard, where you can select any area you require assistance in. Etoro features some great additional content too, such as various daily updates, educational tutorial videos, daily blog posts, and even professional podcasts where you can sit back, relax, and enjoy discussions on various trading topics. One simple tip that could help you increase your profit potential by up to 120% is to consider diversification in your strategy. Traders who execute smaller trades, particularly ones in different markets where the correlation between markets is low, generally will have a better chance of making a profit using diversification strategies over putting all of your money in one large trade, which is usually a bad idea. Always remember that because the Forex market is highly leveraged, sometimes as much as 50 to 1, it can almost have the same feeling as buying a lottery ticket. You only have a small chance of making a killing. However, this isn't exactly trading, it's gambling, with the odds against you. Consider reading the most frequently recommended Forex books. Among them are Currency Forecasting, A Guide to Fundamental and Technical Models of Exchange Rate Determination by Michael R. Rosenberg. It's short, not too sweet, and is highly admired and recommended when looking for an introduction to the Forex market. Another great book is Forex Strategies, Best Forex Trading Strategies for High Profits and Reduced Risk by Matthew Mayberry, which is an excellent introduction to Forex trading. And last but not least, The Little Book of Currency Trading, How to Make Big Profits in the World of Forex by Kathy Leon, which is another concise introduction that has stood the test of time. And that's how to open a demo trading account on Etoro. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.